that being said, what else can we be grateful for in our country? Well, in our country, the people are the best resource. And Filipinos have heart. We You have huge, you know, complicated but generous and loving hearts. I think that we will understand more how we can better ourselves if we understand our past, if we study our history, we study our culture, we learn more about each other. And when we learn about each other, we also end up loving our country. So that is something I will never stop fighting for. I am grateful that we had Rodrigo Duterte as president from 2016 to 2022. I am grateful that we had a leader who showed us that there are things that are actually possible when we had given up on them ourselves. We had given up on development. We had given up on having a government that actually functioned, even if it is leaky, even if it is creaky, even if it was still peopled with, you know, those we cannot trust. He made it work. Somehow made it work. Somehow got it started. To a degree, I am grateful for the experiences that will teach us to never again vote for certain people. I am grateful for those that even in the most difficult times, the times when it is hardest to tell the truth, the times when it is not convenient to challenge the authorities, there are people who do so. I am grateful for the likes of uh, Colonel Grijaldo, who bravely told Congress no. I am grateful for my fellow vloggers who get up every morning and face trolls who mercilessly try to take them down, who mercilessly insult them, degrade them, dehumanize them. And they come back every day for more just to bring information. And most of all, it's not just information, it's information delivered in a way that they can be understood, and to some extent to make sure that you keep an interest in our public affairs. At where I am right now, they're celebrating Thanksgiving. So I decided that it is also time for me to greet you. Happy Thanksgiving. Alam ko walang Thanksgiving ko sa Pilipinas. There was a made-up holiday before na ginawa ni President Marcos Sr. na Thanksgiving Day ng Pilipinas to coincide with, ano ba yun, declaration ba ng martial law o birthday niya? Pero we did have some kind of Thanksgiving before, pero hindi ko alam what we were thanking him for at the time. At any rate, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And I want to let you know that I am very grateful for all of you for the discussions that we have because we learn here at Luminous as much as I hope you learn from us. Um, Hindi ideal ang situation natin sa Pilipinas, but we have each other, we have communities, we have we have friends whom we never thought we would be making. Many of us have had careers that have made sudden turns, and it's all good. So yes, it's cold where I am. So I can't give you my exact address because, as you know, we don't have an administration in the Philippines that we can wholly trust. So for those of you asking about, for those na I will apologize in advance. There's certain questions that since I cannot answer them, I might not be able to read your questions. But let's start siguro this discussion with what we can be grateful for. So, like I said, I am grateful for communities like you, the members of our community here in Luminous. Um, I am grateful for strangers who become friends. I am grateful that in spite of the problems we have in the country, that my countrymen are still worth dying for. And more importantly, worth living for. Worth living for in such a way that we make things better for each other. And this is what I see when people come up here and they discuss how we can make things better, when they discuss about taking control of the situation in our country, this is involvement, this is community, this is caring. And as long as people care, then we will not just survive, we will get better. Siguro there's some things that we really have to go through, that we really have to learn before we achieve or get on with our journey towards full development. So I am very grateful for everybody here. I am grateful for your support, for your assistance. I am grateful for your contributions. And I am grateful for just being able to have the opportunity to be around you or to have conversations where people actually answer. Kasi sometimes, di ba, when you're doing live, it sometimes feels like you're just talking to this wide gap of people who watch but don't participate. So, that being said, what else can we be grateful for in our country? Well, me, in our country, the people are the best resource. And Filipinos have heart. We, you have huge, you know, complicated but generous and loving hearts. I think that we will understand more how we can better ourselves if we understand our past, if we study our history, we study our culture, we learn more about each other. And when we learn about each other, we also end up loving our country. So that is something I will never stop fighting for. I am grateful that we had Rodrigo Duterte as president from 2016 to 2022. I am grateful that we had a leader who showed us that there are things that are actually possible when we had given up on them ourselves. We had given up on development. We had given up on having a government that actually functioned, even if it is leaky, even if it is creaky, even if it was still peopled with, you know, those we cannot trust. He made it work. Somehow made it work. Somehow got it started. To a degree, I am grateful for the experiences that will teach us to never again vote for certain people. I am grateful for those that even in the most difficult times, the times when it is hardest to tell the truth, the times when it is not convenient to challenge the authorities, there are people who do so. I am grateful for the likes of Colonel Grijaldo, who bravely told Congress no. I am grateful for my fellow vloggers who get up every morning and face trolls who mercilessly try to take them down, who mercilessly insult them, degrade them, dehumanize them. And they come back every day for more just to bring information. And most of all, it's not just information, it's information delivered in a way that they can be understood, and to some extent to make sure that you keep an interest in our public affairs, to keep an interest in the country's own interest. I am grateful that so many people want to learn, and they learn with the proper people like SAS. They learn from Chrisette, from Dr. Ethel, from lawyers like Attorney Spaki, um, Ahmed. I am grateful for my fellow, you know, my partners in Luminous, Adrian, Ahmed, to some extent, si Dion, si JP, who has been absent for a bit, but he still contributes. Our economic knowledge comes a lot from, a lot is sourced from him. I am grateful for the friends of Luminous. I am grateful for Mayor Baste Duterte, for Congressman Pulong Duterte. I am grateful to the people of Davao. I am grateful for Vice President Inday, who, in the face of such terrible oppression, gets up every morning and just by standing up, just by surviving, provides us with hope every day. I am grateful that PRD not only gave us his presidency, but continues to inspire us even in The Hague. I am grateful for those of you who send us messages, who thank us, who pray for us. I am grateful for those who give me their stories, for those who give me information, for those who teach me, and for especially for those who are most patient with me. I have a cold. A little more on those who pray for us. I would like to express how grateful I am because I know that you could have spent that time praying for yourself, for your family, and yet we are included in your prayers. It is such an honor for us to know that you include us in your good intentions. I am grateful to the people who listen, whether I am speaking here on social media or speaking at rallies or listening to my arts lectures, history lectures. I'm grateful especially for the artists who continue to not just inspire me, but to continue, you know, conversing with me, having relationships with us, keeping me in touch with my culture and arts roots. I am grateful to my friends in the military, whom I have shared many a late night session, who have um, who have taught me so much about the organization that helped raise me. I am grateful to the PNP, to my friends there, to my former security, who continue to send me their good thoughts. I am grateful to friends in the PNP who have maintained their discipline, maintained their dedication to the Filipino people, even if their patience is sorely tested every day. I am grateful to some extent, to my critics, particularly the ones who mean well, the ones who will correct me, sometimes not so gently, but I thank them because I learn. I am grateful to the University of the Philippines who also raised me. On my third degree, hopefully to be finished soon, I am grateful to my professors from all of my courses, linguistics, law, and archaeology. You learn about life even from the hardest of sciences. I am grateful and I sorely miss my cats, my dogs. I miss my family in the Philippines, but I have family here too. I miss my co-workers in the spokes of all political stripes. I miss the camaraderie, but I will be back soon. So don't worry about that part. Ano pa ba? I miss my the lawyers that I work with. Hello. Thank you very much for your constancy. Thank you very much for your dedication. Thank you very much for giving me so much time to do things that I know frustrate you, but thank you for your patience. Umiinit na. So, thank you very much to those who may not understand the things that I do, but find some way to be supportive anyway. And of course, I'm thankful for my family. I'm grateful that I have them. I am grateful that, you know, our relationships develop over the years. And finally, again, it comes back to you. I am grateful for your being you. Um, Whoever invented the internet, whoever gave us the technology for this, I am grateful that we have been given this opportunity and continue to be given this opportunity to connect with each other. Okay, feel free to put in your Thanksgivings in the comment section as well. Okay, so frequently asked questions muna. Why am I not on Billionario? I'm on vacation. And please, may I give a little bit of advice to some people who are asking? If you're going to ask a question, please do so with a little nod towards the person you're asking. Kasi if you're going to ask a question and not consider the feelings of the person, you might not get answers. So to those people who phrase their question, as in, wala ka na ba sa, wala ka na ba sa bilyonaryo? Tanggal ka na ba? You will not get answers to your questions. But if you ask, why am I not seeing you on Billionario? I will answer, I am on vacation. When I was taken in, when we created the program for the spokes, I already informed them at the very start that I had this trip. And so it is with great gratitude to the people at Billionario that in spite of the fact that this is a very new show, I get to do this. Meron ba akong nakalimutan pasalamatan? I would like to thank my very patient assistant, Dion Malano, for being my very patient assistant. So, yes, my friends in Biaya Animal Care, thank you very much for your dedication to the cause of protecting the most vulnerable living creatures in our country. Thank you for the care. Thank you for the rescues. Thank you for also helping us out with our, zoo. Also pala, thank you to my botanist friends who promised that they would fix my garden. I am looking forward to it. I still have a cold. I caught the flu when I arrived here. Yeah, my voice sounds this way. There you go. See, evidence of my flu. So, announcement nga pala for those who are members in YouTube. Yesterday, we started with one video that's like an exclusive for the members, just as a way to thank them for their constancy. Some of the members in YouTube have been members for like over a year, so thank you very much. Ano pa ba? Dun sa subscribers ng Facebook, you're next. Subscribers sa Luminous. Now, to some degree, we should also be grateful to those who oppose us. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi a knife, para maging matalas, kailangan hinahasa. At hinahasa, pag kinikis-kis yan, dun sa magaspang. Magaspang yung mga kalaban natin, kaya tumatalas tayo. So, to that degree, thank you to those who are opposing us. Now, finally, thank you to some trolls, because the manner in which they tried to engage us has provided so much humor and comedic relief for us in the past year. So again, thank you very much. Konti pang dagdag. Finally, hindi pa talaga finally, Rodrigo Duterte. Aside from the fact that I am grateful that you became our president, I am eternally grateful of the gift of his friendship. On more than one occasion, he has told me, thank you for your friendship. And I never got the chance to tell him this in turn. I think that in my life, I've had great mentors, and I can enumerate them still. My piano teacher, Gregoria Kaiko. In culture and arts, my greatest mentor is still the former central bank governor, former DepEd secretary, DepEd secretary, former DBM secretary, Jaime Laya. He introduced me as a very young lawyer, fresh out from the bar exam, and he introduced me to very experienced lawyers who helped me walk through my first very successful cases. I am grateful, by the way, to the people who sit in our life, who stay here for a long time and follow the rules. Oh my gosh, I don't get to thank you enough. I thank everybody who are my administrators or moderators for making things smoother and easier for us. I know it's not an easy job, but thank you for doing it. Okay? So, sabi ni Kambal TV, I'm grateful that in my lifetime, I have a president, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who's truly for the people. That is why there's so much for the country. There will always be Rodrigo Duterte. Thank you. I love that one. Uy, maraming salamat. Sabi ni Ma'am Wendy, thank you, Attorney Trix and all of Luminous, for your tremendous effort for the good of the country. God bless you all. I hope to be able to find the time and the expertise to do a little more. Thank you very much. Uy, ang galing naman ng mga TikTokers. Thank you for your gifts. Si Kid Wonder, sabi niya, have you come up with the traditional word of the year aside from the infamous waiting shade? Oh, you're going to have to get nominations, guys, for our word of the year. Kid Walker, I think you should be head of that committee. Ganito po kasi nag-start yan. Luminous has a word of the year. But I think every year it was waiting shade. So, it was like the, tell us the sometimes kasi Luminous here, whether it's me or it's Ahmed or sometimes it's Adrian, we tend to correct misuses of words. So it started with that infamous waiting shade. It started because I had a mini rant on Carambola where I think, was it Conrad or Jojo who said that, we were talking about stupid projects na halatang politicians are just trying to make money off it. So the classic was the waiting shade. And I was ranting like, for F's sake, it's waiting shed. It's a shed, not a shade. For mini rant. So that became Luminous's word of the year for 2018, di ba? Something like that. So yun. So, we're taking nominations. If you remember kung ano yung mga pinag-uusapan natin in the past year, ano yung mga tinatawag natin na yung we would call out the misuses of words of some of our more, how do you call this, creative trolls. Sabi ni Ma'am Maricel, sana ganun pa din ayos mo like dun sa bilyonaryo, ang ganda mo dun. Maraming salamat, Ma'am, for telling me I don't look nice otherwise. So, loko lang. But, alam nyo ba, na after bilyonaryo, nag-live ako in the car because I was going somewhere. And so, naka-makeup ako, hindi ako nakabawas or anything because nagmamadali ako. I had an appointment somewhere else. At pag sayang yung oras, usually nagla-live ako sa car. Aba, may mga umakyat at sinabi, ang kapal ng makeup mo. To which I could always answer, ikaw naman makapal ang mukha mo, so okay lang, di ba, quits tayo. So, in that sense, I'm not sure that I do like my makeup outside of Bilyonaryo. Sabi ni DDS Vancouver, ang word of the year ko, minutiae. Minutiae, M-I-N-U-T-I-A-E. Minutiae. That's another blast from the past from Carambola. Thank you very much kay DDS Vancouver. Sino yung nagsabi? Wait, I saw somebody say bias. Ayun, sabi ni June, pinaalala ni June. One of the words was bias. Okay? I actually put that dun sa Facebook personal account ko. Bias, which is a noun. And when you actually mean biased, which is what, an adverb. Biased reporting, di ba? Adjective, di ba? Adjective. Yeah, adjective. So, that also inspired another mini rant from me. Then I say, when one of the trolls came up here and said, bias ka kasi. Hello, ano yung tiniklop na yung sinusulsihan, ano yung ginagawa mo, yung hem your dress? bias. So yes, we do tend to do that here in Luminous. It's all in good fun. We don't intend to insult anyone except if you're a troll. Hi, Miss Chris. Speaking of trolls, napag-usapan na po ba yung about sa nawawalang 50 million sa PCO? Actually, yes, we did so yesterday. At pinagtatawa na natin kasi, di ba, bistadong-bistado na meron nga silang trolls, inaamin na nilang meron silang trolls, or indirectly inamin nilang may ganon. Kasi pumayag si Secretary Dave Gomez na imbestigahan. If it wasn't true, if there was no loss, if there was no money, if there was no nothing, he could have just said, "Sir, hindi po totoo yan. Walang nawawala, walang pera kasi hindi kami nagbabayad ng tolls." Instead, he told the Senate, iimbestigahan. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Hi kay Casey, thank you very much. At kay Sir Art, naku, maraming salamat. And people here in TikTok are giving me so much more reason to be grateful. Yes. This is not a haircut, guys. This is, no, not a haircut. Di pa ba kayo nasanay sa akin? Sabi ni No, I'm not in Southern California. I don't think I can do short hair. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Chris, di po ba yun yung tinanong ni Kong Marcoleta sa kanila about the money sa vault ng office? Ay, sila din nagpapahamak sa sarili nila. And to think, he is the Secretary of Communications. Apparently, he doesn't do well in interviews and he doesn't do well under questioning. He vape? Hello? Natawa ako kasi I posted about the vaping, the secret vaping that Secretary Dave was doing during an interview. So I posted, is that Secretary Dave Gomez? Ganyan. It was awkward. And then of all comments, somebody comes up and comments, tagal na yan. Tagal na, something like 2 or 3 days ago. Sabi ko, I didn't realize that there was a time limit to making commentary like this. Susme. Yeah, sometimes you run into all kinds, but again, we're still here. We're still grateful. Sabi ni June, sino si Boy Chaleco? Ano ba? Hindi mo alam? Si Boy Chaleco, si ano yun? Si Secretary of Health ni PRD. Na he was so, pompous that he, nung height ng COVID, and he was promoting vaccinations, tapos si PRD nagpa-vaccinate, kailangan siya yung mag-vaccinate. Tapos may mga, pag ganun, nakachaleco pa siya, trying to look busy. Siya yun. Sabi ni Ratusa, I'm grateful for FPRD who enables and encourages us that we can be something in the world stage, that we're not inferior. I pray that his interim release will be granted tomorrow, November 28th. Amen. So, sabi ni Edward, I hope despite everything, we can still have a peaceful and meaningful Christmas. I think we always do. Ewan ko kung magtitigil putukan tayo sa politika, pero definitely we will have a good Christmas. Sabi ni Joseph, nagsusnow daw sa Europe. Wow, already? Okay, sabi ni Ma'am Maricel, nakakalito yung rally sa 30th. Sa post ng isang retired general, cancel sa 30th dahil mga makabayan rally daw, magrarally at manggugulo. Nang panood ko kay Ka Eric, tuloy naman daw. Ano ba talaga? Oh, but you have to understand that those are different groups. So, kina Ka Eric, tuloy sila. Malamang, usually sina Ka Eric, di ba sa EDSA Shrine? So, kung retired general, UPI yan. I don't know where they're going to have it. Kasi nga, I'm not in the country. Hindi ako kasama sa comms or anything. So, I don't know when they're going to, if they're going to continue or if they're, and where it's going to be held. So, sinabi na ni Elizalde na lahat ng department ninanakaw nila at huwag naman po ganyan. Sinabi ni Elizalde cause na lahat ng departamento ninanakaws nila at hawak nila Adix Marcus. I take all of these things. Just so that you understand, dito sa Luminous, particularly pag ako yung nagla-live, I will read every word and every sound unless, there's something more important. And I will ask you and answer precisely what you ask. So kung mali yung tanong nyo, o may sa grammar, there's this real danger that I will either correct you or I will ask you to clarify. Sabi ni Jeron, I asked ChatGPT po about how long after using a drug can someone test negative. 90 days daw po for the hair test. Di po kaya hinihintay lang nila mag-sober bago siya magpa-test. Sir Jeron, they have been saying that since we started asking for a hair follicle test more than a year ago. Huwag mong sabihin nag-iintay pa siyang mag-dry out over a year. Sina Ka Eric with sina Kong Mike sa EDSA Ortigas, tuloy daw po. Sabi ni Brutal Canton, parang yung EO pose. Yeah, I never got that. Was that a thing? I mean, was that a trend of some sort that I missed? Thank you, kay Davao Investment. So, mabait ni Sir Edward. Sabi niya, I would not sleep to ensure that I'm able to pray every hour for Tate Digong's appeal for interim release. I pray for the appeals chamber so their minds get enlightened. Prayer warriors, lahat po tayo. Whatever energy we can contribute to that, we should continue to do so. Sabi ni Carlos Racelis, nagdududa na ako sa mga competency ng mga tao na inilalagay sa pwesto. Can they really deliver? Baka maleta. Right now, I think that is the primary qualification for most people who are being appointed na. Sabi ni Delson Moore, salamat ma'am for treats, chickens, and chickens. Oh, my brattiest cat. Miss na miss ko si Suki. Si Suki yung pinaka-bratinela sa mga cats ko. At saka siya lang talagang nakaka-demand na kakain ako now na. Si Mimo kasi nakakaintay. Si Eva, sobrang bait noon si Eva. If hindi ka pa ready na pakainin siya, she'll just sit there and she'll lie down next to you and she's so well behaved. Prinsesang prinsesa yun. Si Beans kasi, siya yung alpha. Naglalambing lang yan pag wala nang nakatingin na pusa. Pero si Beans talaga yung katabi ko matulog. Yung alpha. Pero sandali lang siya.